How to fix for security reason you can't terminate older season from a device that you have just connected error on the Telegram. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio, and he'll get to see I'm trying to terminate a device from a Telegram account and it's frequently showing me this error for every device. So here in this video I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video guys. Well, so this problem mainly appears when you actually log in your Telegram account with a new device. So this feature is actually for the security purpose. And look at it says, please use an earlier connection or wait for a few hours. So you actually have to wait for a few hours, up to 24 hours, in order to get or terminate any account from this phone. This is actually for the security purpose. So you actually have to wait this one, and after that you will be able to terminate from this device. This is how you actually can do this process. Hope you find this pretty helpful guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.